So just one more video with the bottle, 3-liter bottle, and this is one I'm going to be seeing the task off. I'm going to be turning off the compressor, and we will see how much air this thing is going to output. So just like if you would be painting something. Well, that's it. Up to 10, it's quite a long time. It can paint a lot. Fill up the tank, and if you do have a regulator, like after your tank, so you can regulate to whatever 15. You can do a lot with the compressor, turn it off, so you can fill it up, turn it off, and use it for a long time. You see there. That's it. Cheap bottle can do the trick. Don't need to have no fancy tank, no steel tank, nothing. Just a bottle. The bottle, needs to have a rubber gasket inside, so when it closes up, it holds in the air. So any bottle that will have water or gas liquid, something like the soda will do. Just simple. Do yourself.